Thinking about that cold, getting ready for it.
Yes, we are. We got to get through a little rain this morning, maybe a few thunderstorms, but the bigger story towards next week is that Arctic air. In fact, this is just the first of two storm systems. We've got big tornado problems up this morning north of Jackson here along the Mississippi River. That's just south of Memphis. Ongoing tornado warnings. That's where the worst of weather is going to be this morning. Now for us, we do have some showers and some thunderstorms developing. There's a fairly healthy shower now moving into Stone County near Wiggins. We've got a few light sprinkles near Amite and some more wide scattered showers and even a few thunderstorms back to Lafayette and Baton Rouge. Now those are going to move through here in about an hour to 2 hours. So 7, 8, 9 o'clock is when we're going to see some rain move through. The winds are going to be very gusty, 30, 40, 45 miles an hour. And then as we get into the afternoon, we clear things out. And we'll have quite a bit of sunshine this afternoon. Comfortable temperatures in the 60s before the temperatures really fall off. It is going to stay windy today. Winds will be strongest this morning, but they'll stay fairly gusty all afternoon long. And then tonight, we're in the 30s on both sides of the lake. This is not the Arctic air, though. This is really the tease to the Arctic air. That air is still locked up in northern Texas and Oklahoma and back up through the plains. And that's where it's going to sit for a big part of the weekend. We're going to see some chilly weather, but nothing like what they've got right now up there. That gets to us Monday night. And once that Arctic air moves in, it's going to be here for about 2.5 days. So Monday night, all day Tuesday, all day Wednesday, and then Wednesday night, that cold air is going to be with us before we gradually get back in the 50s on Thursday. So we've got several mornings of well below freezing temperatures. Now the ice potential. I don't really see there being a snow potential for us here in this far to the south, but a lot of our models are locking onto an idea that seems possible. There's moisture left over as that cold air arrives, and north of the lake, that's where you have the potential to see maybe some light icing or sleet late Monday night into early Tuesday morning. You can see our GFS, the American model, and the European model are showing very similar scenarios. So at the moment, we're going to call for a light freezing rain north of I-12, probably more so in Washington Parish and northern Tangi, late Monday night into early Tuesday. Now it's still probably going to be above freezing south of the metro or south of the lake and into the bayou parishes. So just a cold rain here, no icing. But further north you get, the closer you get to Washington Parish and like Macomb, there will be the potential for maybe some light ice. And it doesn't take much of that to cause some slick spots on bridges and overpasses. With that being said, that's still days away, and we'll be ironing out that forecast for you in the coming days here. But just stay tuned, especially if you have to travel Monday night that far to the north. Tuesday morning is cold, but Wednesday morning is our coldest. We're forecasting the teens north of the lake and west of the lake. We're even forecasting the mid to low 20s across the New Orleans metro from Jefferson Parish to Orleans to St. Bernard. That is enough to support a pipe bursting freeze. Once again, that's Tuesday night going into Wednesday. But Tuesday and Wednesday during the day, we should get above freezing for several hours. It'll still be plenty cold, but hopefully enough to thaw things out briefly. But the overnight hours are certainly going to be cold there, as you can see. I'll leave you with your marine forecast. The waters are a no-go today. We've got gale warnings in effect with strong south and southwest winds. Those winds will taper off some tomorrow and Sunday. And your tides, those are going to be running highest later tonight. Your low tides running later today. We'll be right back.